Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun items to share with you that have been released. Actually, we're not sure about one of them, but yeah, let me just jump in. Okay, I'm just going to jump in. Okay, first things first. I took this die set on HSN 110 years ago. Well, not exactly 110, but you know what I mean. And it's a really awesome die set because it has all these awesome words. It's called the Be Fearless. So it's be fearless, you matter, think happy thoughts, dream big, you got this. So if you missed this on HSN, like maybe you're new to the Stamps of Life in the last 5 or 6 or 7 years, I bet you missed this one. So now's your chance to get in on it. And look at how many samples I have. I actually have so many samples, I can't show them all to you. So they'll be on the website. We are also releasing a 5-pack of ribbon, which first of all, I'm going, okay, I need that one. I need that one. Okay, I'm going to buy this. So we have that white fun faux suede leather type one. It's white. There's a red, gross grain, black and white checkers, that could be midnight blue, a midnight seam, looks like seam binding, and a green with white stitching. So this is limited edition. Once it's gone forever. Also limited edition once it's gone forever. And this is something we don't think we even released ever, but we're going to put them on the website, is a 3-pack of present, or also known as gift stickers. So this is a 3-pack of stickers, has those fun little presents on it. We're not even sure if we ever release these, so they could be brand new, but get them now because they're perfect for every day, right? Now, let's jump in and look at these words, because these words are going to knock your socks off. So here we go. You got this. Or dream big on using our graduation cap folded, or dream big like this. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Here we go. You matter. This is the die set that's perfect for any type of inspiration. Dream big. Or this one, think happy thoughts. When somebody's down, send them something like this. Isn't that gorgeous? Or, oh my goodness, dream big. Aren't those stunning? I love those. Or, you matter. Here's another one. You got this. I love that. They're just so easy and they're so fun. And you got this is on here. I did check. You matter. Look at that. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big word die sets. Now keep in mind how large these are, you guys, because like look at that dream big. This is on an A2 size card. So it is taking up a lot of real estate, which is really good. Sometimes you just want a decorative background and boom, put your dies on top. There we go. You matter. Look at this on our slim lines, my friend. Don't forget about the slimline dies. So there we go. That one is dream big. Here's another one. Think happy thoughts, using all of our fun tacos to stamp and piñatas to stamp. And here's another one. Think happy thoughts. Awesome. Isn't that amazing? So much fun. Now, make sure you didn't buy these on HSN way back in the day. Chances are you might not have, because it's been so long. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Go check out these items and make sure you stock up on that ribbon. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.